everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Tumbleweed Toiletries Tote by Blue Calla Patterns. This one I am most definitely keeping for myself. I actually have a trip coming up this weekend and this is going to be my toiletries bag. I just love how this one came together. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So it is actually a pretty decent size. It's got double zip closure on top. It's got these kind of faux rolled handles here. When you open it up, there is a framing in here that makes it open nice and big and square. See? And let me do this one up. On the bottom, we have a very large train case. Kind of hard to show on here with the double zip as well. It goes all the way around to the back for another rather large compartment with a zip pocket with mesh here and here. I am just loving this bag and I was originally going to sell this one, but I am going to keep it. But if you're watching this close to the date I've done this, I can most definitely replicate this one for you in these same faux leathers. I do have some left. Again, this is July of 2022, so depending when you're watching this, this can be made in cottons, this can be made in vinyls, this can be made in canvases. We can make this in whatever you like. So if you would like to order a Tumbleweed Toiletries Tote, you know what to do. All of my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Bye.